How to fix Steam no connection error. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. You can just go ahead and open up your Steam application and Steam will automatically update itself. Now if that doesn't work, you then have to make sure that you have a stable connection. Now right after that, if still the method does not work, we can now go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Steam into our computer right here. You can just go ahead and click on your Windows logo, search for add or remove programs. From here you want to look up Steam, click on it, and you want to click on uninstall. Now this will go ahead and totally remove Steam from your device. Right after that, you can just head over to the Steam official website and download the Steam application once more. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.